Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to load your booking code on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you have to bet on any event of your choice. For example, this Athletic Bilbao match against Rayo Vallecano, I'm going to bet on an outcome which is double chance of Athletic Bilbao, then add it to my bet slip. Then, coming back to my bet slip, I'm going to see the whole information about my bet. I'm going to go to promo, which is just after bet. Going to promo, I'm going to type in a promo code which is going to give me a bonus during my bet. And that is all for this video.